Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna quickly unbox a brand new lens that I bought specifically for my Sony Alpha 6400, and that is this particular lens. This is a Tokina atx-i 11-20 2.8, the Canon EF version. This is a fully electronic kind of a lens. That means you can control the aperture as well as autofocusing on this. But the real thing is that this technically doesn't work on the Sigma MC11 adapter, so I'll not be using it for fully for video purposes. This is only suitable if in case you're going to use it for photo-centric usage. So let's quickly unbox this and see what exciting things they pack in this particular box, and we'll also check it out in the next upcoming videos how exactly it works with the Sony Alpha 6400 with the Sigma MC11 adapter. So let's quickly get into this video. So I bought it from B&H. It was kind of pretty much not available for a pretty long time, and lucky enough that I was able to get one as soon as they released it, and it was listed on B&H as available, so I just went ahead and bought it. So let's quickly unbox this. So packaging is quite simple. It comes with pretty generic kind of description on the box. So let's quickly get into the unboxing. So I guess my overhead light is too much for this, so I'm going to just bring down the light so that the framing is properly done. And yep, here we are. So this is a box that comes with, so I'm going to quickly open this up, and we'll see what exciting things this has. So first of all, it's a pretty generic paperwork, I believe, for extending warranty and stuff. If in case you're planning to use it for longer time, then you can probably kind of extend the warranty. So let's quickly get into the next part of the lens. So I'm going to put this box away because we don't really have anything in this apart from the lens. So I'm going to just put it here for a couple of minutes, and alright, so this is the lens, how it looks. This is the 11-20 F2.8, the Canon EF version, and it's like pretty much heavy, guys. I mean, the overall weight of this is, I believe it's above 500 grams, and I guess there's no much description on the box to see what exactly the weight is, but I believe it's a little bit heavy compared to the other prime lenses that I use. So I guess that's how it is, because it covers a pretty good range of 11-20. So obviously it is expected to have a pretty good glass in it. And let's quickly open this and see how the front element looks. Okay, so I bought in one more equipment as well to be used alongside with this. This is the KNF 82mm variable ND filter, because this was the only one that was available when I was planning to buy this. So there was no other ND filter available, so I had to just pick it up whatever they had. So this is the 11-20. So there's one more lens that also covers from 11-16, but I thought that it's pretty good focal length to use 11-20, so I just went ahead and bought this. So this is how this looks. It's a pretty heavy kind of lens, and if you're planning to use it on for vlogging purposes, this is perfectly suitable, because if you have heavy lens, I mean to say, if you have a heavy camera, then this would perfectly go in combination with it. Like, let's say if you have a DSLR, basically this is built for DSLR, so it actually does counterbalance the ecosystem quite easily. And this is how it looks, and it's pretty simple, guys. Not really much of a video that I want to talk about, but this was a quick unboxing. Guys. I hope you have liked it, and probably in next upcoming videos I'll be testing the autofocus functionality of this lens on my Sony a6400 and as well as the Panasonic Lumix G9 to see how well it works. And hopefully, I guess what I understood from a lot of research online is that this lens only works in photocentric mode on the Sony Alpha series of cameras, and I guess it should be also working with the Metabone Speed Booster XL, but I don't really know until I test it out. So for the next upcoming videos, please do subscribe if you're interested to get an update on those particular videos, and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel. And take care, and see you again. Bye bye.